This is the mini travel jewelry bag trio. So beautiful. These, I just love these. Compact, lightweight, and visually simple. They fold so neatly. You can put earrings, a ring, a chain in here, and then fold it up, and then the snap closure to seal it. It is so easy to use. So my daughter went on holiday for Thanksgiving and came home and her jewelry was all tangled. So I picked these up for our Christmas holiday and I thought, wow, these are so soft and protective. The velvet lining is going to keep all of the pieces from getting scratched or tangled in her case. It was a big mess. I like that she could keep everything separated in here and so easy to pack. Look at this, just pack them up and good to go. You could put this even in your carry-on or your purse if you wanted to, but these are going to work well with just a few small items, rings, thin bracelets, or some chains. I love these. I love the color, and I do highly recommend.